Hello viewers. In this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best lump charcoal available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Considering as best lump charcoal for their quality, features, and values, we have narrowed them down for the best possible choice you can make. For more information and updated pricing about the product, do check the given links in the description box below. So, here are the best lump charcoal brands consumer ratings and reports. Number 5. Original Natural Charcoal 100% Natural Hardwood Lump Charcoals. Heats up quickly and remains heated for a long time. Adds a subtle smoky flavor to the meat. Searing meat gets cooked more efficiently, as this charcoal produces more heat for the same. Number 4. Fogo Super Premium Hardwood Lump Charcoal. Quick and long burning. Less production of ash during operation. More efficient than conventional lump charcoals. Gentle and aromatic smokes. Burns hotter than most competitors. Number 3. Royal Oak Chef's Premium Hardwood Lump Charcoal. 40 lb bag of premium lump charcoal designed for grilling and smoking. Made from American oak and hickory hardwood with no additional ingredients. Great for both high and low temperature cooking. Produces very little ash, as compared to other charcoals. Number 2. Jealous Devil 100% Natural Lump Charcoal. No additional flavoring of the food. Burns hotter and longer. Doesn't produce much ash. Large pieces of debris, which are easier to collect. Food that is cooked under the fire of this charcoal tastes great. Reasonable price. Number 1. Fogo Premium Oak All Natural Hardwood Lump Charcoal. It's perfect for everyday smoking and grilling. Lump charcoal that's perfect for Kamado grills like BGE Minimax, Kamado Joe Jr., Weber Kettle, Weber, Smoky Mountain, and more. Charcoal is restaurant quality, and makes it easy to reach high searing temperatures quickly. Charcoal lights fast and lights long.